Hey guys, this is Insane Developer here. Welcome back to my channel. In the last episode, we have seen how to create an UI for our expense tracker application in Figma. In case if you just missed out, I will provide you the card in the top right. Just click on that and enjoy the video. Now let's get back into the topic. In this episode number 2, we are going to see how to set up the prerequisites for our Android project. Without wasting that much time, let's get started. First of all, you need to open Android Studio and create a new project. And I'm going to select empty activity and just name this application as expense tracker. And here I'm going to change the package name to so you can give whatever name you want, and I'm giving my name here. And choose the language as Kotlin here and choose the minimum SDK as API 16, so it will support from Android 4.1 Jelly Bean. Now let's click finish. It will take some more time to build. So now our project compiled successfully. So let's run this. And it's building. Ta-da! You can able to see our project compiled successfully, and this is a default screen which is showing right now. Okay, that's fine. Now, before getting started, we have to install necessary dependencies for our expense tracker application. I'm going to explain how to install dependencies. So just open the Gradle scripts and open build.gradle. It's an app level, and just scroll down here. Below that, inside this dependencies, you have to install all the necessary dependencies. So I have entered all the dependencies which we are going to use it in our app. So first of all, let's take a look at one by one. So we are going to use room database. So what is room database? Room database is nothing but it's an abstract layer over the SQLite database. You can even perform CRUD operations like create, read, update, and delete. And some complex queries also store the data on local device. And we are going to use Kotlin coroutines here. Coroutines is a recommended way to do asynchronous process in Android application. So also we are installing some of the lifecycle scope. And here we are going to use navigation component for navigating from one screen to another screen. So with the help of this navigation component, even also pass the data from one screen to another screen, as well as we can perform some cool transition animation with that. So we are going to use a recycler view. So what is recycler view? So recycler view is nothing but we are going to show the list of data in recycler view. So you can also even perform some transition animation and some cool stuffs with recycler view. And last, we are going to use preference data store in our application. Now let's move to the top, and you have to paste this IDs, some of the plugins here. So we are going to use SafeArgs plugin to transmit the data from one screen to another screen. And also I have enabled the view binding features here. So now just go to build.gradle, and here you have to enter this navigation SafeArgs plugin here. And now you have to sync the project. I'm going to click on this. You can see our Gradle sync is finished successfully. From the next tutorial, I will teach you how to set up a schema and a database for our expense tracker application. and it's going to be really interesting. In case you just want to give some suggestion, you can always leave it in a comment section. And in case if you just like this video, just give a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for regular updates. Until unless, it's bye from Insane Developer. Bye.